Hello everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. Here we have product called VEIKK. This is a drawing tablet and the model number is VK640. This is the best drawing pad you can get from Amazon. I have checked all the user reviews and the customer reviews, everything I have checked, and this product is simply awesome to keep in words. Now let's open this unboxing video and let's see if this product lives to its standards. If you want to buy any drawing pad, this drawing pad is the best you can get in the market for the less price of just 3,300 rupees. Compared to this product, the money which we are going to keep, 3,300, is very cheap for this product. And now let's open this and see. I'll be opening it carefully so there are no cuts inside the product. Sweet. Now let's open it. Okay, we have some hand glove here. This glove is useful when you're actually drawing on the drawing pad. I will wear it and I will show you particularly. The quality of it also looks nice. This warranty card that they have given me, and this is the actual drawing pad. Let's open it carefully. Oh my god, the packaging is so good here. Boom! And here you go, the drawing pad. You should actually see it with your own eyes rather than this video, because the layer on top of this tablet, it looks pretty awesome really. I think this is the pen. There are no opening signs here. Let's see how to open this. It's from this side. No. Oh, there's an opening on the top. I didn't see. So this is the pen which you'll be using for the drawing pad to draw on it. It's not opened. I think there's no battery or charging case for that. This drawing pen is actually battery proof, so there is no need of any battery or charging for this pen. And it feels so sturdy in my hands and so strong. And this is the pen stand. You can keep the pen on that. Let's see what this is. Oh my god. This is the pen nib. They have given the extra nibs for the pen. You see on the top of the pen there is a nib. We can replace it with these nibs again. They have given me a lot of extras. So whenever this nib feels like it's over, we can change it. And here are the instructions on how to change the pen nib. Okay, so useful. They have given me so many nibs actually. So even if we lose or break many, there are still plenty of this. And this is the pen holder. You can just keep it anywhere on the table and it will not fall. Let's just try now. Oh my god, it's so nice actually. It's not falling. Let's see other things. Oh, they have given me even extra nibs also. So these are like extra nibs then. And these are the OTG cables for normal C-type and our normal Android phones. Oh, this looks very strong. I think it works properly. And here is the driver download. We have, by using these instructions, we can download the driver in your Mac OS or Windows OS. For Android, there is no need of any OS. And this is the instruction manual, the normal manual. Okay, so these are the contents that are given inside the box. Let's put it again inside and just focus on our tablet. Before using our drawing pad, we have to wear this glove, because this glove prevents further contact of our skin to the drawing pad. Let me show you. I have opened this. The material feels so smooth. Our entire hand should go into that glove. Let's try that. After this, my hand was completely perfectly fitted into this glove. You can see only the two of my fingers and the complete bottom part of my hand is completely closed, so that my hand will not able to touch the drawing pad. My bottom hand will not interfere while I'm writing on this drawing pad. You see, while I'm writing, the bottom part should not touch my drawing pad, otherwise it will interfere with the writing. So now there is no interaction between my hand and the drawing pad, only the pen and the drawing pad. So everything works so smoothly. Even on the pen there are two buttons which I can only feel. If you hold the pen, you can feel two buttons where I'm holding the pen. See, everything is so smooth. The buttons, these are the buttons which I'm talking about. And let's see, click on this logo button. Okay, this is not a button at all, this is just a showpiece logo, but the top three and the bottom three are buttons. And this is the USB 2.0 which you can connect to laptop, or by using OTG you can connect to your mobile. Now the drawing pad is connected with a laptop. Now let's test it out whether it is working smooth or not. I have opened MS Paint in my laptop. So I selected the pen option, and now let's try to write on this drawing pad and see the output in that MS Paint. See, when I'm writing here, the output is being projected into MS Paint. It's just like using stylus in your Samsung Note phones. It feels so smooth, and even better than that. Just now I did the unboxing. Let me use it for like a 1 week or a 2 week. Then I will give you a complete review on this product, the complete cons and pros of this product.